gas right now because it's just empty. I just wanna, hopefully you guys can hear the how this shit sounds. For the RSX. Let me show you guys in Joshua. And yeah, my car was gray. I don't know why they didn't paint the inside frames.
This is actually a wrap, guys.
Yeah.
That's why.
Plastic bit. But yeah, you already know. Black. Because we bought the base model. That. Couldn't find a Type S with black interior and low miles. So yeah. I actually bought this one because for me it makes better sense. Let me show you guys. I don't know what you guys think. Correct me if I'm wrong, Yoshi. Got the K24 single turbo RSX. Alright, so to my understanding, this is a cold air intake. But where's the cold air at? The headers are like right here next to it. And this shit's closed, so
okay, makes sense.
To my sense, am I wrong? Am I right?
You're right.
What do you think? Here?
Yeah.
And the one I bought goes down here to the front.
Through the battery?
Like down the battery, like under. And it lays like right here, like behind this shit. That thing. So to me that makes more sense, right? Like cold air, like you know, like it gets more air pretty much. More air and colder air. Like this. I don't know. Am I dumb or?
Yeah.
So yeah.
Is this a supercharger?
Yeah.
Nice.
One of these. But yeah, so we gotta take this shit off, throw it away because it's trash. Let me know if anybody wants it. Sight. But yeah, there's some bucks the other one. Yeah.
This is it right here, guys.
I'm gonna say it, guys. Fuck it. This should be an easy install. I said it. But to make it easy on yourself, just remove the whole bumper. And I'm not trying to take off the battery, but if I have to, I'm gonna do it. So let me lift up the car. And yeah, you could play with the cat, you also have to put the car in fifth gear. I don't know why. So just put it in fifth. Pero apágalo, güey. Yeah. But yeah, we've been thinking about doing the videos in Spanish or Spanglish because this shit's overrated in the US, but in Mex, you don't really see much of this shit. I don't know. So, ¿qué opinas?
What do you guys think?
So yeah, vamos a hacer español para que esta madre en los Estados Unidos ya lo hicieron como 1000 veces, pero en México no, casi no se ve mucho de esto.
Mira, Murijo. On, off.
Pero ya le vamos a poner otro intake que se va para abajo porque este agarra todo el aire.
Vamos a poner un carburador.
Ah, chinga.
Con inyección directa.
Ay, ya verga.
Y
este güey sí sabe español bien. Ya todo mucho. Anyways, yeah, so we're just gonna take it off.
it's pretty easy because
I'm gonna take off the
have
bump.
a bracket.
Fuck
A
you.
bolt.
So I'm gonna go take off the bumper meanwhile. Te digo que está bien fácil, así de fácil. With the quicks, I can't even. Like my shit's broken. I have to tie it with zip ties, but I didn't turn my wheels to cut them.
So this is the old one. Yeah, no va a ir como algo así.
Yeah, para abajo.
O así.
So let me keep trying to fight with this shit. It's that easy to take this shit off. So pretty much, you have to replace that. You had a replacement for it. So vamos a hacer un tiradero ahorita, because this shit's está lleno.
Agárrala allí, compa.
Ayúdanos ahí, mero. Jálale, jálale. Ya que no está Murijo, hace más el gato que Murijo. So keep going, G. Keep going.
Oh shit, my bad.
This fool asked me for gloves. Pussy. Yeah. This is how they look. I like it. And also another thing that I like is that it's just gonna be cleaned up. That's just hidden, like you can't really see it. Hopefully I don't have to take it off. But yeah, so now we're just gonna swap the new hoses and that, and yeah. What the fuck is wrong with you? So yeah, this is where you want to take off your battery, because once you do that, you could get to this, and you could just move this whole hose that's in the way. And look at this space clearance. So you just put on your shit. Ready. Para allá. Yeah, more. Vamos, fíjate. ¿Sí está quedando bien o what? ¿Sí? ¿Dale más? ¿Más? Ahí va pues. Carajo, está otro acá. ¿Esto ya está o what? More? No, ahí está. Good job. Approve? Anyway, so yeah, take off the battery. It's just so quick and easy. And just put your hoses back on now. Probably fucked up, but
Esta manguera, ¿dónde va? Chócalas, güey.
no quiero que me sobren partes. Luego me regaña mi dad. I saw him that said like, I'm putting this on in case you don't have a dad to tell you this. And that was like the tire size and all that shit.
No.
And I was like, bro, I have a dad, but I didn't even know that.
Same, I had to go to school for that shit.
Handsome. Fuck, must be nice.
Sure, it's
Está pinta. Anyways, look at the AC install. Look at it. It's the next day. And we're finished. Matching. I'm just playing. We did finish, but there were some things I didn't like. For example, this. That's what it says to put it in fifth gear. So we're gonna go third and fifth. This shit will hit. And also, that was cause I kind of left all this shit in the way, so it would push it that way instead of this way. And I also was going through the video when I was editing, and it's I left out a lot of helpful information, so I'll do it again. And also the camera was dying, or the mic was dying, so when I turned it on and was trying to show you guys the sound, I would just cut off and shit. So
Just turn it on like that.
I'm gonna have my
Turn it on like that.
Alright guys, so this is the easiest way to get it through. You can put your thing on already and just go from under the car and play with it, because it's pretty tight spot. So you have to remove this little bracket that goes right here. It's in the way, and it's already in fifth gear, that's why it's all the way over here. And that's just so you see your clearance. Try to get it on there. You see how my shit was like, I think I lifted it too much. That's what will hit. And let me just put my reservoir and fix all this the nicest possible, because this shit's ugly. And I ended up running my old one because I don't got any fender liners, so obviously all the dirt and all the water and shit is gonna go into it, and why fuck up a new filter? So yeah. Alright, so what turns out, it should line up pretty good, but yesterday I didn't tie this one up because my shit didn't come with a nut, or I think it did, but Joshua kind of lost it or some shit. So if you look over here, that's fifth gear, that's the longest gear, and it doesn't touch at all. Let me change the gear so you guys can see. Right?
Nah.
Yeah, so you it should be pretty good. Just all your shit. But if anything, I'm gonna zip tie this shit just so in the future it doesn't move at all. Nothing a zip tie won't fix. So yeah, I'm gonna just plug everything and turn the car on, just show you guys how it sounds. I think it makes this sound like a little deeper. Hopefully you guys can hear. We're recording both cameras, so trying to get the best sound. I don't know, like it kind of sounds deeper, huh?
Sounds like it's like woo-doo, woo-doo.
It's like a little deeper, that's not like la verga, ya está saliendo humo. But yeah guys, that's pretty much it. Gay! Now, eventually I'm gonna clean all these wiring shit up. Make it look pretty. Wash it or something. And the video shuffle. Hey Joshua, we're too good of a team, but
Hey, this bitch kinda heat.